Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're ready. Open the app where you need the small numbers and make sure predictive is on. First method, type common fractions like 1/2, 1/4, 3/4 and watch iOS autocorrect to a half, a quarter, 3/4. Second method, plan to use a shortcut for superscript digits. This takes a one-time setup step but saves time later. Once decided, keep the keyboard visible and move to the next step to create the shortcut, or now make the shortcut that types small numbers for you. Copy the superscript characters, you can find them online or paste from a sample, then open Settings, General, Keyboard, Text Replacement, and tap the plus sign. Paste the superscript digit into phrase and enter a short trigger like 2 as the shortcut. Once saved, return to your app, type the trigger and accept the suggestion. The superscript replaces it. This is faster than manual pasting and works across apps. Finish by testing. Type your triggers and confirm the small digits appear in every app you use. If a shortcut doesn't expand, make sure you type the exact trigger, then toggle predictive off and on or delete and recreate the text replacement entry. That usually resolves syncing glitches. Remember, common fractions often autocorrect to single character symbols, so type 1/2 or 3/4 as a quick alternative. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and recheck keyboard settings before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.